Hello, 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 and welcome everyone. My name is Vera Matthews. I'd like to thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please do not duplicate. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's an artificial intelligence. It's an advanced language model capable of comprehending and generating human-like text based on user input. It can be utilized for a variety of professional and personal applications, including answering inquiries, delivering information, generating creative or technical content, and facilitating natural conversational interactions. ChatGPT is a computer program that can understand what you say and reply in a way that sounds natural, like a real person. You can use it to ask questions, get help with information, come up with ideas, or just have a friendly chat. This may sound a bit complicated, but I assure you that it will be simplified as we go on. Okay, so in the box where it says what can I help with, you're going to type your inquiry. So on the next page, I'm going to show you an example of where I have actually typed. Other things that you can do using ChatGPT. You can also copy work from another document and paste it into messages in your message area. And then you can request it to rewrite something for you and then press the upward arrow or press enter. For example, if you have a resume, when you're using ChatGPT, you can copy the resume and paste it in. You can do it by bullet points or you can copy the whole resume individually. You can copy the whole resume or you can do paragraphs or bullet points, however you want to do it. And then you make your request and then just tell it to rewrite your resume. And I often say, like, make it more professional, make it elegant, and things like that. And if something has a harsh tone on it, say you're writing a document or a letter or something, and the tone was too firm or too harsh, you can say, please soften this for me. And as I previously mentioned, if something sounds too complex, type please simplify it. If you don't like something, just ask it to please rewrite it. And you will say all of this in the message box area. You can take advantage of you can take a document that you have typed and copied and paste on the complete document in the message space, rewrite it, sound professional as I mentioned. Sometimes it'll give you more than one, I give it more than one instruction, like I might say, rewrite it to sound professional, elegant, and without a strong tone, etc. If you don't like how they rewrite it, you can say, please redo this. It's almost like talking to a human being. So these are just a few tips. If you want to start a new chat, if you look to your left here, I have the arrow going up. You just click on that icon with the pen there, and it'll start a new chat for you. Now sometimes you'll get the stay logged out, log in, or sign up. And you can just stay logged out if you want to, or if you want to, you can choose to log in. Now you will have to pay to log in, and I did pay for that version. I think it was like $20, but to me it was worth it because I like to do a lot of images, creating images for a project that I'm working on. And of course, I'm not getting paid to say any of this, but I do think you get more features by being logged in. But you can do a lot without being logged in as well. So again, this is how you use ChatGPT. It's pretty simple. I mean, you can do other things like how do you create a bench, how do you make a cake, how do you put a motor in a car, and it'll ask you for some specific things, like it might say what type of car, whatever. It'll ask you for the information that it needs to provide you with what you need. So again, that is all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. And stay tuned for more upcoming information and different topics. And enjoy. I'll be posting often. And that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us. Again, my name is Vera Matthews.